Worked in the yard. My hair is still not all the way dry, so I'm just gonna pull it up a little bit here. It was really nice. It wasn't raining, so I went out in the yard for a couple hours and did some yard work. So that was kind of fun. Just put on some sunscreen and went out, and I just came back in and I got a shower, put some product in my hair, diffused it. I'm going to put a little highlight here under my eye, the color that I like to use to help conceal my dark circles. So have you guys been getting your makeup on every day? Doing your hair every day? It just makes me feel so much better. Even though it's lunchtime and I had kind of a late start today, been working in the yard all day. I came back in and I'm like, I have got to get my makeup on and do my hair because I just feel so much better when I do. I don't know about you. We gotta stay positive and keep doing what makes us feel better. Today, I think I'm going to do kind of a summery look. My face is feeling a little pale, and it's sunny outside, and I want to be on vacation. Don't you want to be on vacation? No vacations this year, I think. I'm afraid all of our vacations are going to be the backyard, unfortunately. But as long as we stay healthy and don't get sick, then that's all good. And everybody that we love stays healthy, and hopefully we'll come up with some kind of vaccine for this soon. Because I don't know, everybody's getting a little cooped up crazy, and it's only been a couple weeks, not even. It just feels like it's been forever. And you start thinking about the future and wanting to make plans, and my granddaughter's going to turn 2. She's usually, you know, planning a birthday party. Her birthday's in May, and so now we're like, I don't even know if we're going to have that. So, kind of depressing. But we try to stay positive, right? Try to stay positive. That's all you can do. This morning I got up and did my yoga. I try to have a daily routine. That's what I like. Get up and did my yoga this morning, and then the sun was shining, so I went out and worked in the yard for a couple hours. It was very, very nice. Okay, there's my contour. Put that on. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyebrows next, just because I like to do my eyebrows. Did you have any vacations planned this year? We did. We planned, let me move this over here. We still have it booked, but I don't think we're going. We were going to go on a cruise. Who wants to go on a cruise now, right? Kind of crazy. Well, that was coming up in May also. So I don't think that's going to happen. We're going to have to figure that out. I hear a lot of those cruise lines are just trying to give you credit to rebook when this is all over. But I don't know, my husband says he's not really sure he wants to go on a cruise now after all this. But we'll see, we'll see. It might take longer for us to recover from all this craziness, but we will. Things might be a little different the way we do things. Hopefully we'll learn a lot from this. I mean, that's the best thing, is learning from our things that we go through in life, right? Okay, so my brows, I just like to fill them in with a little eyeshadow. Sometimes I use contour, but I just use eyeshadow today. And I'm just going to dab in that color now that it's kind of melting into my skin. This cream product warms up when it gets on your skin. Anyway, so I did my eyelids too, because that helps act as like a primer for my eyeshadow. I'm going to go back in, and I'm going going to fill in the rest of my face with just a light application. And then I'm going to use my bronzer today because I want to feel like I'm on vacation. I'm going to add a little color to my face. I put a bright, cheery color on today. Okay, I was wearing sweats and comfortable clothes every day, but then it kind of put me in a funk. So every day I decide to get ready. But now I've switched to wearing jeans every day. So even if it's the same pair of jeans, I just put on a cute top to go with it. And that way I know if I'm eating too much, my jeans feel tight. It's a reminder. Because I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I've been eating more than usual. We're bored, right? Okay, let me put a little lighter color right here. And a little lighter color right here for a little brightening under my eyes. Let me put a little contour. It's not the one I wanted, is it? Yeah. Make sure it doesn't have any makeup on it. Put a little contour down my nose here. I don't usually contour my nose, but why not? Just for fun. I mean, I'm not going anywhere anyways, but I still like putting on my makeup and playing with different colors. And I like to put my light color down the middle. And I'll just blend it in a little. Okay. Put a little bit of that under my... This is the same contour I used. I just lining my lips with it. Kind of smudging it in a little bit here. So it's not such a perfect line. Okay, that's looking good. Now I need some color on my cheeks. And since I'm going cheery in my pink today, I'm going to put a little brightness here. And a little brightness here. Might as well. Put a little color on my lips. I just put it on the apples of my cheek and blend it back into my contour. Blend my contour up and back. That's some pretty color on my face. Okay, let's just do a quick eyeshadow look. Let me see here. I'm just gonna pick this color all over. I like brighter colors. When I wear dark colors on my eyes, it's nice for an evening look, but for a daytime look, I kind of like to wear a brighter color. I did that pink color the other day, and this color is peachy orangey kind of color, and it's cheery. Do that. And I'll darken up the corners. Let's just put a little bit here. This is Zion, which is like a, you know, just like you would picture Zion to be, that terracotta type color, natural red rocks. Just gonna darken up the corners. This brush that I'm using is my favorite eyeshadow brush ever. It's the Eyeshadow Everything brush. And it's all the brushes are double-ended, which is so nice, and I can just flip it around and use the other end if I want to do a little more detail work. But here I'm going to add, just going to add a little light color up top on my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in Sabrina, which is a little bit sparkly but very light. I'm going to go right there on my inner part of my eyelid. I like that to be bright. Okay, looking pretty. I'm going to take that other side of my Eyeshadow Everything brush and I'm going to use it for my liner, which I'm going to use a dark brown color, the same color that I used on my eyebrows. I'm going to line my underneath here. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I'm going to grab my mascara, put that on, and I will be right back.